Understanding Bond Yield, Demystifying Finance. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of finance to understand a common term you might have heard, bond yield. This phrase may sound complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp on what it means and why it's important. Before we jump into bond yield, let's first understand what a bond is. A bond is like an IOU. It's a debt security that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower, often a corporation or government. In return for lending the money, the borrower promises to pay the investor interest at regular intervals and to return the principal amount at the end of the bond's term. Now, onto our main topic, bond yield. Yield represents the income return on an investment, typically expressed as a percentage. So, when we talk about the bond yield, we're discussing the return an investor can expect to earn from a bond. There are two main types of bond yields. 1. Current yield. This is the annual interest payment divided by the bond's current market price. 2. Yield to maturity, YTM. This is a more comprehensive measure. It considers the bond's current market price, its face value, its interest rate, and the number of years remaining until it matures. YTM gives an investor an idea of what the bond will earn over its entire lifetime. You might wonder why anyone would care about bond yield. Well, here's why. 1. Investment decisions. Bond yields help investors decide which bonds to buy. A higher yield might mean a better return, but it could also indicate a riskier bond. 2. Economic indicator. Changes in bond yields can signal changes in economic conditions. For example, falling bond yields might suggest that investors are worried about the economy and are seeking safer investments. 3. Income. For those relying on their investments for income, such as retirees, bond yields can indicate how much income they can expect to receive. So there you have it. Bond yield might sound like a tricky finance term, but it's simply about understanding the return on a bond investment. Whether you're an investor or just someone curious about finance, we hope this video sheds some light on the topic. Remember, finance isn't just for the experts. With a little effort, anyone can grasp these concepts. Happy learning!